Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you how to fix black screen in Counter-Strike 2 with some quick and effective methods. If your game opens to a black screen, the first thing you should do is press Alt plus Enter to switch between windowed and full screen mode, as this often instantly fixes the issue. Next, update your graphics drivers to the latest version, because outdated or corrupted drivers are a major cause of black screen problems. After that, go to Steam, open Game Properties, and verify the integrity of game files to repair anything broken. You should also try launching the game with launch options, like dash windowed or setting a lower resolution to see if that resolves it. Another important step is to disable full screen optimizations from the game's executable file. Finally, close all background apps and overlays that might interfere with the game. Follow these steps carefully and your black screen issue should be resolved. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.